Hello everybody, today in this video I'm gonna show you how you guys can install PC Manager on Windows 11. So first off, open up your Microsoft Edge or Google Chrome, whatever you got it. Go to google.com and type here PC Manager Microsoft, and you need to go to this first link. The site might load slow because this site is, I think it's hosted in China. I don't know, but it's really slow in my computer. And you can see that we have downloaded this. Open up this downloaded file and click on yes. It seems like a Chinese software, but it is done by Microsoft. All right, so now click on I accept and install this. So if you can't download this software, I will link this down to description as well, so go ahead and check it out. And also this software used to stock this on 32%, so it's completely fine. So leave your computer for at least a moment and it should be good for you. Also make sure that you guys are connected to internet, since this software require some additional downloading files. Well, now the installation has been completed. As you guys can see, just click on launch now. Well, so this is how the software look like. It's completely okay. And also let's see how much RAM this software is using. So you can pretty much say this is taking like 200 megabyte of RAM. Completely fine. All right, so let's boost this. So we have like option booster performance. So you can boost memory, you can delete some temporary files directly. So click and boost. And there you go. It's on 0 KB now. Also, let's see the RAM uses. And yes, it really decreased the usage of RAM. As you guys can see, those spikes being decreased over there.